Hi students, today I am here to teach you the mathematics for class 7 for our the very lovely and the dear student on the request of some of the student from class 7. My purpose to teach you mathematics for class 7, the chapter exponent and the power, is to increase your interest toward the mathematics. This chapter is very playing chapter, very interesting and amusing chapter. Come on, I teach you, and also I play game with you with the works of the number. First name is here exponent. Exponent is here the expression of the any number in set of the power, that is called exponent. Suppose we are given 5 to the power 3, x to the power 5, y to the power 4. So now suppose we are writing here x to the power 5. So this number which is to the that place, it is called base, and this power is called exponent. Exponent. Okay. Come on students. Now similarly, suppose we are writing here 5 to the power 3. So this number, it is the base. Base, it is here, power is called exponent. It is the exponent. One more thing that I want to say you, that exponent, it is divided into two parts. First is here exponent. Power is divided into two parts. First is the exponent, second is the radical. Exponent and the radical. Exponent means the expression of any number in form of power. Suppose it is 5 3, it is the expression in the form of the power. X to the 5, it is form in the form of the power, it is in the form of the power. Y to the power 4, it is in the form of the power, therefore it is exponent. And suppose when I writing here x to the power 1 by 2, it is also, this is the base, and top number, it is the exponent. Okay, so this is the exponent. So suppose I am writing here x to the power 1 by 3. This is exponential form. It is exponential form. And now when x to the power 1 by 2, this x is here base, and this top is here exponent. Clear? So this power form is the exponent. And now another topic is a radical. Radical means whenever this exponent is expressed in the form of symbol. Suppose in the form of symbol, suppose x to the power 1 by 2. This is exponential form. Exponential form. When x to the power 1 by 2, it can be expressed as the symbolic form. The symbolic form means 1 by 2 power can be expressed with symbol of this. X go to the this is called radical. In the next class we will get radical. This is the radical. So when power form of expression is called exponent, symbol form of expression is called radical. That is called exponent and radical. Now for this value in this year, so now I will teach you some of the terms which I am writing here. Terms of exponent. The first terms of exponent is here. First term I will teach you the exponential, to express in exponential form. Exponential form. Second, find value. Third, power notation. Fourth, law of exponent. 5, simplification. Okay, so when you will get the knowledge of these 5 terms to express in exponential form, find the value of exponential form, power notation, law of exponents, and the simplification, this chapter will be finished. So now within this short period I will discuss one by one. Okay. Now first, exponential form. Exponential form, it is very easy. Suppose we are given any form x into x into x into y into y into y into 2 into 2 into 2. Suppose we are given in this way, so we have to express in the exponential form. The exponential form, so we will select what are the like term. X, 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 this is the one like term. Y, 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 this is the one types of the terms. 2, 2, 2, these are the one types of the terms. Now we will look. I see here x is here 1, 2, 3. X is written as the multiplicative form in 3 times. So we will write here 1, 2, 3. Therefore x to the power 3. Now another term is y. Y is written 1, 2, 3. The y to the power here 3. 2 is here 1, 2. Suppose one more times I am writing here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power 4. This is the exponential forms. This is the exponential form. Suppose in the same way in your question, in your chapter, we see here, suppose you are given a into a into a into a into c into c into d into d into d. You are given, simply you will count how many are here. A 1, 2, 3, 4. I will write here a to the power 4. C 1, 2. C is here 2. D is here 1, 2, 3. D is here 3. Therefore it is exponential form. Now for this, base is here a, power is 4. Base is here c, power is here 2. Base is here d, power is here 3. This is the exponential form. Now in this way we can express any number into the exponential form. Second is here, find the value. Find the value. Suppose to find the value. Find the value. Suppose we are given 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. Suppose we are given. So for the value, we will write 2 in 3 times. The 2 into 2 into 2. 5 is written here 2 times. 5 into 5. We multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Here is the 8. 5 into 5, 25. Here is the 25. 25 8 is the 200. 200. This is the value. In this way, we will get the value. Second is here, power notation. Power notation. Power notation is here. It means you understand that we have to keep in this way. Suppose x to the power 5. So this is here base. It is the power. It is the power. So we have to express any number in this form, base and the certain power. Suppose we are given 3, 1, 2, 5. This is the number. We have to get the power notation. For the power notation, we will get the prime factorization of the number. Power notation, for this power notation, we do prime factorization of given number. We will get the prime factorization of given number. Suppose we are given 3, 1, 2, 5. So we will do the prime factorization. 3, 1, 2, 5. 5, 6 to 5. 5, 1 to 5. 5, 25. 5 to the 5, 5. So I will write here 3, 1, 2, 5 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write here 5 to the power 5. This is the power notation, very simple way. We will do here, you can write here 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Therefore 5 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will write here 5. This is the power notation. Similarly, you can solve